Dear student, this is Utsav Singh from Kunia IS Institution. We know you have just 3 months left for your prelims examination and you might be under pressure to ace this examination. For that, we will be discussing few tricks so that you clear this examination comfortably. First thing, have faith and be confident. Second thing, how to prepare. See, if you go through previous year questions, you will be well aware that 3 are very important. What are those 3? Environment, Indian geography and science and tech. The questions will come from current affairs, but it will be overlapped with the traditional path. For economy, you should always focus on basic and whatever scheme government has declared or announced in last 3 budgets. For polity, whatever question will come, the question will be related to recent judgment of Supreme Court and the basics. For history, you focus only on ancient history and modern Indian history. For ancient history, you should only focus on art and architecture, Jainism and Buddhism and Indus Valley civilization. For modern history, focus on the unsung hero of Indian independence. Rest, for current affairs, read any magazine provided by institutions for last 18 months. Focus on writing as much as examination and go through their solution mock papers, because that is where you will ace what may come in examination. It will increase your objectivity. Don't leave CSAT, keep practicing, and above all, have faith. Faith move mountains. Stay tuned and do subscribe us on YouTube. We'll come up with more informative videos. Thank you.